What is up, everybody, and welcome to the Sticky Art channel. My name is Justin, and in this video, I'm going to be discussing what may be the most controversial topics in the art world of 2020, and that is, does size matter when it comes to Prismacolor Premier colored pencils? Prismacolor Premier pencils, if you don't already know what they are one of the standards in the art world as far as a colored pencil that are wax-based that have a high pigment load. I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel about them. This video, I'm going to be comparing side by side a 12-pack of Prismacolor pencils up next to not one, but two 72-pack Prismacolor pencils, as well as some additional colors that I picked up along the way. I'm going to be using the sets to draw a picture of Ryan Reynolds from his up-and-coming film, Free Guy. I'm going to test out the theory if paying more for the bigger set will make my art better, or if I can get similar results from a smaller, almost primary color set, the 12-pack. Kind of curious to see how it works. I've never done anything like this before. So on the left-hand side, I'm only going to be using the 12 colors in the 12-pack Prismacolor pencils, which are pretty much primaries, as well as a secondary set and a black and white pencil. One of the things I noticed first off the bat was on the left-hand side, it took very little time to get the main colors down. And with Prismacolors, you really want to layer everything like this. I'm gonna try to use the actual color pencils rather than blending anything on the right side. I'm gonna try and use every single color. It is taking a lot longer to use all the color pencils because I'm going in and picking every single color rather than trying to blend them out and mix each color. I'm actually going into each little area with the color that kind of matches and build it up that way. Once I had done the first kind of pass on the left-hand side, I wanted to build up the right-hand side with the right colors and then come back and make sure I could blend everything out to see how close I could get. So on the left-hand side, I did make sure to keep it, so I only used the 12 colors. Coming back to the left-hand side, I noticed that blending everything was kind of a challenge. Once you build up too many layers on the Prismacolors, it actually is a little bit harder to get the colors to stay on or to actually add to it on top. You can definitely tint the colors and using white and different other yellows get some highlights. However, for the most part, it does get a little bit muddy if you continue and over blend your colors. So keeping this in mind for skin, I have found that over blending the colors is one way to really kind of ruin a picture. So I don't really recommend using it this way, and I did kind of just go with it and I tried to blend everything out. So I lost a lot of the contrast and some of the things that would have made this piece really outstanding. Overall, I think it came out great. I'm really happy with this piece. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, if this looks like Ryan Reynolds or not. I know it looks a little bit off. It definitely to me looks like Ryan Reynolds mixed with maybe Tom Cruise, I don't know. I will be using this piece in the future. I plan on creating it into a digital piece, and I'm going to add the background as well. I want to add some characters from some newer and older video games. So if you guys have any video games that you want me to add to this picture, let me know what your favorite games are that you want me to add in the background, any characters, and I'll try and add as many as possible. Since this is a video game kind of like thrown in their world. One of my favorite things on this drawing was the hair. I found it really easy to color in using the bigger set with a lot of colors and build all the layers. On the other side, it was not as easy, but I was able to do it. It just didn't look as clean. So the final verdict, is it worth it to pay the extra money for the big set? And in my honest opinion, I think the 12-pack is a great starter set. If you're trying to go for realism or if you need really solid colors, going with the big 72-pack is my favorite. However, the 24 and 36-pack are a great value for the dollar if you're not looking to spend that much money. I hope this video was helpful. If you do have any questions or if you have your own experience with Prismacolors that you want to share, let me know in the comments below. And coming soon, I will be reviewing some markers that Parku sent me. They kind of seem very similar to Ohuhu or Copics, but I will be trying them out and be doing a review video on them, so stay tuned. And if you did enjoy it, make sure to hit the like button as well as share and subscribe and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. And until next time, peace.
Balance. I know what I must do. I will
Smash that bell.